In front of me is Motorola Moto G57 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Apps. Now to access App Cloner, scroll again, this time to click on Cloned Apps, and tap on plus icon next to one of the available ones you wanna clone, like WhatsApp. You can also clone an app by clicking on it on the left and tapping on Create. Either way, when you're ready, go back and check if your apps were successfully cloned. If you wish to delete any of those clones, you can either uninstall it like you would any other app, or you can go back to the same section in Settings and tap on bin icon available next to your clone. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!